disaster management infrastructure is in place after the rupees 119 crore project started in 2019, which was completed in Goa. The infrastructure will now be handed over to the state government. There are 38 early warning towers which have been installed, which will give a 3-day advance warning to people. Also, there are cyclone proof shelters which have been created across Goa. Listen to the details.
And the funding of the World Bank. Under this project, four important compositions are there. One is capacity building at a local level. Second is dissemination of the information, early warning information to the public in the vulnerable areas. The third is construction of cyclone shelters in the coastal line so that the rescue operation could be taken place. And the fourth one is that improvement to the electrical infrastructure of making it resilient to face the cyclones. So this is an 119 crore rupees project which was sanctioned in the year 2019. Now we are happy to say that we are concluding the project, or we are completing the project by this month end, and we will be handing over to the Disaster Management Authority. Under this, we have installed around 38 towers, which are early warning towers, which are connected with the GSM as well as the optical fiber, which will be giving early warning information as and when it is triggered by the district authority or the state authority. So any cyclone which is impending is given to the public in advance, 3 days in advance, by the by siren, and then if it is in the night time, there will be high beam lights, and then there are various levels of sirens. The various sound designations will be there that will be communicated to the authorities, to the public, the later course of time when the SOPs are finalized. So these towers give the information advance to the people that if the incoming cyclone is a severe cyclone, how far it is, when it's going to come, and then what actions the people have to be taken. That is there. And parallelly, we have also constructed 11 multi-purpose cyclone shelters which can host about 500 people. 500 people can be accommodated. There we have all the facilities, kitchen facilities, staying facilities, first aid, then information system, then information destinations to the headquarters. Then we have disabled rooms for the elderly. We have got rooms, and then we have 2 floors for ladies, 1 floor for ladies and 1 for gents, with all the facilities. These structures are disaster free in the sense they can handle up to 9 earthquake, Richter scale earthquakes. They can handle the floods, etc., etc. Means there are disaster resilient structures which have already been completed. As a sample of electrical infrastructure, we have also made underground lighting system in Anjana village, in the coastal village, which is likely to be affected by the cyclone. And then that is totally resilient in the sense it can handle the cyclone speed up to 155 kilometers per hour.
That our exercise, the mock exercise, is planned for the 3rd of March, and I would definitely solicit the support of the print and the electronic media to support this exercise.
Various devices for locating victims in buildings and other places after a disaster were also displayed at the state level tabletop exercises on cyclones.
कर देता है तुरंत, और विक्टिम वहाँ से बस निकलने में कामयाब होता है। आगे नेक्स्ट विक्टिम लोकेटिंग कैमरा
वीएलसी है क्या है? विक्टिम लोकेटेड कैमरा वीएलसी। किसी भी बिल्डिंग के अंदर जाने से पहले हमें अंदर की क्या कंडीशन है बाहर से पता नहीं होती है, तो हम एक इन्फेक्शन होल मेकर है, इस इक्विपमेंट से क्या करते हैं, दीवार के अंदर एक छोटा सा होल कर देते हैं, उसके अंदर ये जो हमारा वीएलसी विक्टिम लोकेटेड कैमरा, इसको हम अंदर असेंबल कर देते हैं। असेंबल करने के बाद हमारे यहाँ पर एक डिस्प्ले बोर्ड है, इस डिस्प्ले बोर्ड पे अंदर की क्या कंडीशन है, कितनी विक्टिम है, लाइव है या डेथ है, उस चीज़ का हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यही से मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं, और उसी के ऊपर हम क्या करते हैं, अपना अप्रोच करना है कि नहीं करना है, यहाँ से जाने के लिए ठीक है या नहीं है, या दूसरी जगह से हमें अंदर अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा, उसका डिसीजन हम ले लेते हैं।
रेंज क्या है सर इसका?
4 मीटर सर एक्सटेंशन होता है पूरा फ्लोर।
मतलब मेनली ये है कि दीवार के उस तरफ कोई विक्टिम बसा हो, तो हम अगर कटिंग वगैरह करते हैं तो उसकी सुरक्षा के लिए कि पहले से पता लग जाता है कि यहाँ पे इस दीवार के पास विक्टिम है। कटिंग वगैरह जो इक्विपमेंट्स हैं उनका यूज करते समय उसकी सुरक्षा का ध्यान में रख के हम अपना ऑफिस कर सकते हैं।
Prasad Polji for Herald TV.